talking about so much? Well, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and essentially it's the language of web. It's the language on which every web page is written in. So HTML is used to create electronic documents called as web pages that are displayed on the internet. So now I am going to refer this website which is called as example.com, and I will use it to explain you what is HTML and what is the structure of HTML. So what we want to do is look at the HTML that creates this page. So we can do that by right clicking and clicking on this view page source option. So this is all the HTML code that is written to create this web page. So let's have a little look and let's see what's going on here. First thing that you will all notice that quite a few things have angle brackets around them. These are called as tags. So tags are the special keywords that tell the browser something about the code that's being written. So at the top, we have the first tag which is called as doctype HTML. So this doctype HTML tag tells the browser about the type of document we are working with. Here in this case, the type of document is HTML. The second tag is the HTML tag, and that's where the HTML begins. Now, if I jump to the right end of the document down here, so you will notice the same thing, but it has a slash before it. And that means where the HTML ends. So the tag at the top is called as opening bracket or opening tag because HTML begins from there, and the tag which is at the bottom is called as closing tag because it's where HTML ends. Moving down, we have a head tag, and basically the head tag is used to store information about documents such as title, and some other special information is stored inside this head tag. Just for your notice, we have a closing head tag here. So this complete section is the head tag. So we are going to ignore this complete head tag section because it is quite complicated. So we will jump to this body tag. So after the head tag comes the body tag, and this is the closing tag for this body tag. And inside the body tag, all the contents of the web page are placed. So inside the body tag, we have a div tag. So basically div tag stands for division tag. And if we are creating a web page and if we want to divide that web page into different segments, then we can use this div tag. The next tag in the row is the h1 tag. So h1 tag stands for heading 1, and this is the closing tag for h1. So basically whatever text that is placed inside this h1 tag, that text is made bigger and bolder by the browser. For example, in this case, example domain is placed inside this h1 tags. So example domain text is made bigger and bolder by the browser. The next tag is the p tag. So p tag is a short form of paragraph tags. And if you want to just insert some text, simple text on your web pages or websites, so you can place that text inside this paragraph tags. So this is the simple text which is placed inside the paragraph text. The next secondary tag is a paragraph tag again, but this time it contains another tag inside it. So this a tag is called as anchor tag, and it is used to provide a link to some other websites inside our web page. So we are going to discuss about links, URL and all in the upcoming lessons. But just to make you clear, if we click on this link, so my browser will take me to this particular URL. So if we want to insert some links, so we have to provide it inside the a tag or the anchor tag. Now let's go to the head tag and discuss the elements which are present inside the head tag. So inside the head tag, we have a title tag. So basically title tag will provide a title to your web pages, and that title will appear on your tab. For example, in this case, the title is example domain, and that you can see that title will appear on your tab. So basically, if we look at this page once again, so this page does not have HTML only. Apart from HTML, CSS is also there. So CSS stands for cascading style sheets, and CSS is used to provide design, or CSS is used to define the design for our web pages. So you can see, apart from the pure text or heading, we have some background color, also a box is there, and the color of the box is also different. And this link which is provided by the HTML, this link also has a different color. So all this styling will be provided by the CSS. So inside the head tag, we have this style tag, and with the help of style tags, we are defining the design for our websites. Don't worry, we are going to discuss about each and every tag in detail in the upcoming lessons. So this is just to make you clear about what is the structure of HTML web pages. So you can see inside the style tag, we can define the design for different tags uniquely. For example, for body tag, I am providing a different design. Similarly, for division tag, I am providing a different design or different color. So using cascading style sheet, you can provide different styles to your different tags. So I hope the structure for HTML was pretty much clear to you. In the upcoming lessons, we are going to study about each and every tag in detail